Welcome to the Nokia Automated Analytic Solution for Access Control, NAAS for short. Nokia developed NAAS in response to the global pandemic, and it is done for automated triage of both people and groups entering into a facility. The NAAS solution is unique because it is accurate, it is fast, it is safe, and above all, it provides an automated triage of both people and of crowd in both elevated temperature setting as well as for mass violations. It supports both automated operations, local operations, and remote operations on an architecture which is future-proof and supports a rich set of analytics and operational workflows. Above all, it generates a return on investment that is less than 6 to 10 months in terms of payback. In the first use case of a person entering the facility with a normal temperature but not wearing a face covering, the screen will instruct the individual to look at the camera. The automated system shall suggest the person to step out, wear a face covering, and re-enter the queue. When the person re-enters with a mask, they are sent on their way. This shows the power of simultaneous temperature detection and mass violation detection. In the second use case, we will look at a person with normal temperature but entering with a mask on. Here the system recognizes that he or she is in a different queue and sends an automated message to that particular screen and instructs the person to continue on. This shows the power of automation of the NAS solution. In the third use case, we will look at multiple people entering the facility simultaneously. Here we see two people entering a facility with normal temperature, one with mask and one without. They simultaneously arrive in different queues. The same camera triages both the queues simultaneously. It instructs the person with mask on to proceed and the person without a mask to step out and wear a mask and re-enter the screening line. The multi-queue capability with the same camera doubles the speed of triage and halves the cost of the camera. In the next use case, we'll look at a person with elevated temperature try to enter a facility. In this particular case, since we don't have a person with fever, we are tricking the system by using a heat pack to simulate elevated temperature. Here we have a person with elevated temperature try to enter a facility. The system generates an alert and redirects them to the extended screening line. You will note that the triage screen will show a blurred silhouette of the person with elevated temperature so that they can identify themselves in a crowd and go to the extended screening line. This shows the power of the system to accurately and safely identify a person with elevated temperature and redirect them to the extended screening line as per the facility operator's workflow. In this next use case, we will show a local operation by an operator on the scene. On the left side is the HD image of the scene, and on the right panel, you'll see information of people's temperature and mass status. People with elevated temperature and mass violations are flagged. The NAS system has been deployed in a local factory setting as well as in an office setting. And in that particular case, they use remote operations to triage the group of people entering a system. The remote operation can simultaneously get an enterprise view of the screened operations along with the requisite statistics and reports. Alert from any cameras will be visible centrally and can trigger SMS or email alerts to the personnel on the field. This completes the demo of the Nokia Automated and Analytic Solution, NAS for short. It's just a small subset of the rich set of capability that NAS offers. Thank you very much for joining us today.